Hi you guys, it's laundry day. My name is Gail and welcome to Tuesday Art Talk. And I just wanted to talk about all the rags I use. I try not to use paper towels because paper towels are expensive. They ruin our environment and they really don't clean up paint as well as I'd like to see. So what I wanted to show you is that I went to a secondhand store and found 100% cotton sheet, and I cut them up to make rags. I also use t-shirts to make rags, and the thing I do is, you know, those nasty looking dish towels and the nasty looking washcloths. Well, when they get so gross and so embarrassing, I just throw them in my studio. Then once a week I laundry them, wash them up, fold them, and I'm ready to go. So next time when you use rolls and rolls and rolls of paper towel to clean up, think about the environment, think about your pocketbook, and think about how easy and how better rags work. So until next week, I love you guys. Bye bye.